Breakfast at the hotel.
Good morning, Ben.
Morning, Miss Martin. Did you sleep all right?
Yes, thank you. Like a log. The bed was so comfortable.
Brilliant! Ready for breakfast? It's included in your stay.
Absolutely. I'm absolutely starving. Is it a buffet?
It is, just over by the bay window, next to the plants.
What's on offer today?
Croissants, bread rolls, granola, local cheese, and fresh fruit from the market.
Do you have croissants? I absolutely love them.
Freshly delivered this morning. Help yourself.
And drinks? I'd really like a proper English tea.
Of course. Tea, coffee, orange juice, or hot chocolate, all self-serve.
May I take 2 croissants?
Go ahead. Take as much as you like. We're not counting.
Thanks. Do you have plain yogurt?
Yes, plain and strawberry in the little fridge under the counter.
Great. Are the eggs freshly cooked?
Scrambled or boiled, made every hour. The pan's just behind me.
I think I'll try the scrambled ones.
Excellent choice. Can I sit wherever I like?
Yes, all tables are free this morning.
I'll take the one by the window. I adore morning light.
Good spot. It's lovely out, sunny but not too hot.
Do you have butter for the bread?
Yes, right beside the jam and honey pots.
Perfect. And if I finish my juice, can I refill it?
Absolutely. The jug's on the side table. Help yourself anytime.
Until what time is breakfast served?
Until 10 a.m. You've got plenty of time.
Fab. This is my first proper English breakfast.
Then welcome to Bristol. Is everything to your taste so far?
Very much. The bread is incredible.
It's from Jones Bakery, just down the road on Park Street.
You can really taste the freshness. If I need anything, I'll let you know.
Please do. We want you to feel at home.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Enjoy your breakfast, Miss Martin.
I will. Have a lovely day.
Cheers.
The air conditioner isn't working.
Excuse me. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir. How can I help?
I'm in room 307, and I've got a bit of a problem.
Oh dear. What seems to be the issue?
The air conditioning isn't working at all.
That's not ideal, especially today. Which room did you say?
307, third floor, overlooking the courtyard.
Right. Is it quite warm up there?
Boiling. I barely slept last night. It felt like a sauna.
I'm so sorry. Did you try turning it off and on again?
Yes, 3 times. Nothing happens. No sound, no light.
Completely dead then.
I even opened the window, but it's warmer outside.
I'll ring our maintenance man straight away. He's on site.
Can he come today? I've got meetings tomorrow.
He'll be up in 10 minutes. I'll call him now.
Brilliant, thanks. I checked in yesterday afternoon.
And it's been off since then?
Yup, I noticed it last night around 10.
Tell you what, can I bring you a fan while you wait?
Oh, that'd be a lifesaver.
No trouble at all. I'll bring one up now.
Cheers. Do you think he can fix it today?
Hopefully. If not, we'll replace the unit first thing tomorrow.
And if it's beyond repair?
We'll move you to another room, same floor, quieter even.
That's very kind of you.
We want you comfortable. You're on holiday after all.
Technically work, but still.
Shall I tell him to knock before entering?
Yes, please. I'll stay in the room.
Will do. Enjoy the rest of your day, even if it's a bit warm.
Thanks. The fan'll make all the difference.
See you shortly, Mr. Davies.
Lost luggage.
Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I'm from Baggage Services. How can I help?
I think I've lost my suitcase.
Oh no. When did you land?
From Rome this morning, about an hour ago.
And you waited at the carousel?
Yes, but my bag never came.
Do you have your baggage receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. And your name, please?
Paul Martin.
Right, Mr. Martin. What color is your case?
Black, with a small yellow tag.
Size?
Small, carry-on size.
Is there anything written on the tag?
My name and phone number.
Perfect. Let me check the system.
I really hope it's not lost. It's my only bag.
Don't worry. Here it is.
Where is it?
Still in Rome, but it's on the next flight.
Will it come today?
Yes, tomorrow morning, and we'll deliver it to your hotel.
I'm at the Brighton Inn.
Noted. You won't need to come back to the airport.
Brilliant. Do I need toiletries tonight?
There's a Boots just past security. Everything you need.
Oh, great. Thanks so much.
Honestly, your suitcase is having a longer holiday than you.
Lucky it.
Have a good stay in London, Mr. Martin.
Thank you. You've been brilliant.
Anytime. We'll call when your bag arrives.
Cheers.
Booking a taxi at the hotel.
Good morning. Could I get some help?
Morning. Of course. What do you need?
I need a taxi as soon as possible.
No problem. Where to?
Bristol Temple Meads Station.
Got a train to catch?
Yes, at 10 a.m.
You've got time, but traffic's heavy this morning.
Oh no, will I make it?
Easily. If the taxi comes now, I'll call one immediately.
Thank you so much. I'm in room 203.
Right. Got it. Do you have luggage?
One big suitcase and a rucksack.
I'll order a larger taxi then.
Brilliant. Am I traveling alone?
Yes. Off to visit family?
My sister in London. First time in ages.
Lovely. Taxi'll be here in 10 to 15 minutes.
Can I wait in the foyer?
Absolutely. Make yourself comfortable.
Is there a coffee machine nearby?
Just left of the lift, freshly brewed.
Perfect. I need caffeine before the train.
Coffee and travel, the perfect pair.
Do you book taxis often?
Every morning, guests love the train station.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, I'll tell the driver.
Wonderful. Thanks for everything.
My pleasure. Taxi's here already.
Really? That was quick.
Waiting outside now. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
You too, Miss Collins.
Buying a gift.
Hi there. Can I ask for help?
Of course. Looking for something special?
Yes, for my sister's birthday.
How old is she?
She's 25.
Any hobbies? Loves perfume? Books?
She likes simple, elegant things, not flashy.
Then maybe a soy candle? Very popular.
Oh, that sounds perfect.
We have lavender, vanilla, or orange blossom.
The vanilla smells amazing.
Would you like to try it?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Handmade in Sussex.
Oh, I love it. How much is it?
12 pounds.
I'll take it. Anything else to go with it?
A silver bracelet, minimalist design.
That one looks beautiful.
It's 20 pounds, sterling silver, made locally.
I'll take that too.
Great choice. Would you like it gift wrapped?
Yes, please. With a ribbon?
Of course, she'll love it.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, just tap here.
Done. Thank you.
Here's your receipt and parcel.
You've been so helpful.
Happy to help. Best wishes for her birthday.
I hope she likes it.
She will. Have a lovely day in Brighton.
Thanks, you too.
Which bus goes to the park?
Excuse me, do you know which bus goes to the park?
The one by the museum? Clifton Downs?
Yes, exactly.
You're in luck. Bus number 8 stops right at the entrance.
How often does it run?
Every 15 minutes. Next one in 5.
Perfect. I hate waiting in this heat.
Me too. Lovely weather, though.
Are you going to the park too?
I walk there every day, feed the ducks.
I've never been, just visiting for 3 days.
Welcome to Bristol. The park's beautiful.
Is there a lake?
Yes, with swans and ducks. Very peaceful.
I love ducks.
You can rent bikes there too. Great for exploring.
Do I need to pay to enter?
No, it's free for everyone.
Brilliant! Does the bus stop right at the gate?
Yes, Clifton Down Park stop. Can't miss it.
Do I buy the ticket on the bus?
Yes, but only with exact change or contactless.
I've got my card. Should be fine.
There it is, right on time.
Thanks so much for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy the park.
I will. Thanks again.
Have a wonderful stay.
Changing money.
Hi, I'd like to change some money, please.
Of course. What currency do you have?
US dollars into British pounds.
How much would you like to exchange?
$200.
Today's rate is 0.78 per dollar.
So how much will I get?
About 156 pounds minus a 5 fee.
There's a fee?
Yes, standard charge.
That's fine. Here are the dollars.
Thank you. Counting now? Yes, $200.
Can I get 20 notes?
Sure. And some coins for buses or cafes?
Yes, please. 20 pounds in coins would help.
Here you go. 136 pounds in notes, 20 pounds in coins.
Perfect. Thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you are. First time in London?
Yes, just landed this morning.
Welcome. Staying long?
1 week. I'm going to the British Museum later.
Excellent choice. Enjoy the sunshine.
Thanks. You've been very kind.
My pleasure. Have a brilliant stay.
Cheers.
Milk allergy.
Good morning. Can I ask a quick question?
Of course. How can I help?
I have a dairy allergy. Can I still eat here?
Absolutely. We're happy to help.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
So no milk, cheese, butter, or yogurt, right?
Exactly. No cow's milk products at all.
And for drinks, just tea or coffee without milk, right?
Yes, black tea is perfect.
We have oat and almond milk too.
Really, that's great.
Would you like almond milk in your tea?
Yes, please. That'd be lovely.
Coming right up.
Is the bread dairy-free?
Yes, our sourdough has no milk.
And the jam?
Just fruit and sugar, completely safe.
Brilliant. Any dairy-free cakes today?
Not today, but I'll ask the kitchen for tomorrow.
That's very thoughtful. Thank you.
Of course. Are you staying a few more nights?
3 more nights. I'll note your needs.
I really appreciate that. Here's your almond milk. Enjoy.
Can I sit by the garden window?
Absolutely. Lovely view this time of day.
I'm really enjoying this hotel. It's so peaceful.
We're glad. Take your time.
I'll have bread, fruit, and tea.
Excellent choice. Let me know if you need anything.
Thank you. You've been so helpful.
My pleasure. Enjoy your breakfast, Miss Sharma.
You too. See you tomorrow.
Problem paying the bill?
Hi, can I get the bill, please?
Of course. That'll be 12.
I'll pay by card.
Just tap or insert here.
It's not working.
Try again.
Still nothing.
Might be the machine. I'll restart it.
Hope it's not my card.
Do you have another?
No, just this one.
Any cash?
Only £5. Sorry.
No worries. We'll sort it.
Is there a cash machine nearby?
Yes, 2 minutes away near the bookshop.
I'll pop out and get cash.
I'll wait. No rush.
Back in a flash. Got the cash. Here's 12.
Perfect. Thank you.
Sorry about the machine.
Not your fault. These things happen.
Do you need a receipt?
No thanks. I'm good.
Was the food okay?
Delicious, especially the chocolate cake. That's our specialty.
I'll definitely come back.
We'd love that.
Thanks for your patience. You were great.
Thank you. Have a lovely afternoon.
You too. Cheers.
Conversation on the train.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Thanks. Is that your bag overhead?
Yes, the navy one.
Need a hand with your case?
No thanks. It's light.
Heading all the way to London?
Yes, Paddington. You too?
Same. Long journey, isn't it?
Nearly 2 hours, but the views are lovely.
Do you travel by train often?
Usually, I hate driving on the M4.
I don't drive. Train's my favorite.
Same. Plus, you can read or work.
Off on holiday?
Visiting my mom in Wimbledon. You?
Work trip. Conference in King's Cross.
Nice. From where?
Swansea. First time on this route.
Oh, I've family near Cardiff.
Small world. Feeling a bit tired already.
Fancy a coffee from the buffet car?
I might. Thanks for the tip.
I'll go in a bit too.
Did you reserve this seat?
Yes, 14A, but someone was sleeping in it.
Classic train moment.
This seat's comfy enough.
What are you reading?
A crime novel, really gripping.
I love those. Makes time fly.
Got a book with you?
Yes, but haven't started it yet.
Now's the perfect time.
True. I'll give it a go.
If you need anything, just ask.
Thanks. You're very kind.
Enjoy your book and your trip.
You too. Safe travels.